we are starting the today's class. So this is the basically this is the method to connect your Python to the SQL, and in the first line we are importing SQLite 3. This is the library that we are importing. Con, it means it is the handle which connect the SQLite database, and the database is named as hello.db. So this is the database. I already made it in my computer. Okay, and then if this happens, then it will print database connected. So these two lines will connect your database or make your database. Now con equals to SQLite3 dot connect. It means we are connecting this con, this handle, to this database, as if we had made that database in the above lines. So cursor, CUR, is equals to con dot cursor. So cursor will move in that database, and cur dot execute, and it will execute this statement. And what is this statement? Create table product. It means we are creating the table product. The table name is product, where PID, product ID, is of integer type and it is taken as a primary key, and it will auto increment. It means it acts as a ID which is increment by 1 when we are going to insert the another product. And the second column is product name, which is of text type, and it should be not null. It means it should contain some value. And the third column is for price, which is of real data type. Real data type means it should contain the real numbers. For example, the price can be 35.5, or it can be integer as well as float. Then qt by another column which is of integer type, 1 2 3 4 etc. And if these three lines are okay and not having any error, then it will print table created, and we are closing this con. After creating the table, we are closing this con. Okay, so this is the basic syntax to make the database. So this is the code to insert the value in the database that we have made, hello.db. We are importing SQLite 3 library again, and con is going to connect that library to the database that we have created. Cur equals to con dot cursor. The cursor will move. This is the function that con will execute. Cur dot execute. Cur will execute insert into product. It means we are inserting the values within the columns. The columns are these and the values are this. So these are the values. Okay. Hard disk 2000 rupees and quantity is 2. Again cur dot execute, and the 4 5 values have been inserted into the table that we have created with the name hello.db database. And if this is okay, then it will print data inserted and it will commit. It means autosave, and con dot close. It will close this connection. I hope you understand this code. Now we are moving to next topic, that is how to show the details. So you will use this syntax to show the details. Let me explain you the syntax. These two lines are mandatory in every program. These three lines actually. First we are importing the library, then we are building the connection, and then we are executing. And then it will print the print ID name or product name, price, quantity, and in the new line. Cursor, now it will do select star from product. It means it will show us all the details in the product table. It will move from row in cursor. from row 0 to row 1, then row 2, then row 3. Suppose it will move row 1 and then it will go to row 2 and the ID will be incremented by 2, 3, 4 by 1 only, okay. And cursor dot execute, then we are executing update product set price. We are setting the price plus 10 and then it is auto saving. Print, we are printing this line again and cursor select from product. Actually we are repeating these lines only to show the product, that to show the details of the table product, okay. Then we are following a loop. The loop will follow us from the 0th column to the third row, sorry, and then on dot close we are closing the connection. So let me run this program. Basically it is showing error because we have not done this, we have not run this actually, but it database created and table created. Now we have to insert the value, so the data inserted, okay. Now we have to show the details and the details are these, okay. So this is the price before the increment of 10 and this is the price after the increment of 10. So I hope you understand this whole program, database connection to Python. So